Welcome to our next lesson, Guna Sandhi. It is second Sandhi in the row of Swara Sandhi. Swara Sandhi is the major title. There are three Sandhis in major. One is Swara Sandhi, another one is Vyanjana Sandhi, third one is Visarga Sandhi. There are few Sandhis in every category. So now we are looking Swara Sandhi. There are series of Sandhi in this. Now we are going to see Guna Sandhi. In the previous video we have seen the first Sandhi under Swara Sandhi is Dirgha Sandhi. So that was over. If you want to see, kindly watch the video. Now we move on to Guna Sandhi. Let us know the rules. There are 4 rules in this. Please understand, Sandhi means the last alphabet of the first word and the first alphabet of the second word join with each other with the rules framed by Maharishi Panini. The first word should end with a or a. So in all 4 rules, the first word should end with the alphabet either a or a. The second word should start with e or e. So these 2 alphabets merge with each other and form another alphabet, that is A. So rule number 1, A or A plus E or E both merge and form a new alphabet A. Rule 2, A or A plus U or U merge each other, form O. A or A plus R or R becomes R. Please understand, R. A or A plus L becomes Al. Al doesn't have the examples more than 1 or 2. So I think we are not going to discuss much about this last rule. So we will go through the rules 1, 2, 3, one by one with the examples. Let's move on to the examples for A or A plus E or E becomes A. So example is Nara plus Indraha, Narendraha. First word's last alphabet is A. The alphabet of the second word starting with E. So A and E both merge and become A. Nara, the last letter is A. Indraha, the first alphabet is E. So both merge become A. A, long vowel. It's not a short vowel. There is no A. There is no O. Both are long vowel. A, O. We have to pronounce like this. Nara becomes Nare. The answer, the final word is Narendraha. So you can also see the combinations given in the box. Let's move on to the examples for this rule. Nara plus Indraha, Narendraha. So all these examples to be declined as we have done in the previous slide. Tava plus iti, taveti. Gana plus ishaha, ganeshaha. Nara plus ishaha, nareshaha. Parama plus ishvaraha, parameshvaraha. Maha plus ishaha, maheshaha. Yatha plus ishtam, yatheshtam. Lata plus iva, lateva. Maha plus ishvaraha, maheshvaraha. Sakha plus iti, sakheti. Whenever we see such words in the shlokas or in the sentences, we should understand that A or A plus E or E becomes A. So A contains A or A plus E or E. So A and E combination is A. Clear? Let's go to the Next example. Examples for a or a plus u or u becomes o. So what we understand? O means a plus u, either long vowel or short vowel. Let's move on to the example. Purusha plus uttamaha, purushottamaha. Let's see how does it change. First word's ending letter is a. Second word's first letter is u. A and U both merge and become O. Remember, there is no short vowel O. Purusha, ending with A, Uttamaha, starting with U, both merge, become O. So, Purusha becomes Purusho. So, the answer, the final is Purushottamaha. Let's see the derivals given in the box. We move on to the examples. So all the examples given here, there are 12 examples given here. All the examples to be formed as if shown in the previous slide. Hita plus upadeshaha, hitopadeshaha. Purusha plus uttamaha, purushottamaha. Chandra plus udayaha, chandrodayaha. Jala plus urmihi, jalormihi. Surya plus udayaha, suryodayaha. Upa plus udghataha, upodghataha. Ganga plus udakam, gangodakam. Maha plus uruhu, mahoruhu. Yatha plus uchitam, yathochitam. Maha plus udayaha, mahodayaha. Ganga plus urmihi, gangormihi. Maha plus utsavaha, mahotsavaha. So there are a lot of examples, and this is actually Guna Sandhi is one of the important Sandhi in the Sanskrit grammar. Let's move on to the third example. Examples for a or a plus r or r becomes ar. So deva plus rishihi, devarshihi. So how ar comes in between? First word's ending letter is a. Second word's first letter is r. A and r both merge and become ar. Deva, ending with a, rishihi, starting with r. So this a and r both merge and form ar. So deva becomes devar. The answer is devarshihi. Kindly go through the box how the words derived. The alphabets are shown there. Next we move on to the examples. I request the learners to see the video again and again. Since you are not learning in person, you require revisions. So for the revision, kindly go through the video again and again and again. So minimum to 5 times. Please don't feel that it is longer. But learning Sandhi is very important to understand Sanskrit shlokas. So you have to revise every Sandhi minimum 5 times. If you see more than 5 times, you will become thorough in this. We have not given the rules here, whatever Panini Maharshi has said. You can learn that from a teacher. Whereas the examples are given to understand the rules very clearly. So let us go to the examples. A or a plus r or r becomes ar. Sapta plus rishihi, saptarshihi. Deva plus rishihi, devarshihi. Raja plus rishihi, rajarshihi. Grishma plus rutuhu, grishmartuhu. Brahma plus rishihi, brahmarshihi. Vasanta plus rutuhu, vasantartuhu. Kanva plus rishihi, kanvarshihi. Maha plus rishihi, maharshihi. Varsha plus rutuhu, varshartuhu. Maha plus riddhihi, mahardihi. Thank you for watching the video. Dhanyavadaha. Please understand we are going to upload one by one all the Sandhis in our video channel. One video in a week will be posted. By the time when we post the next video, you will be thorough in this Sandhi. Do not accumulate the videos. Watch fully. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.